Hey YouTube, this is going to be a quick review of the first week or two of having the Carbonvice belly pan and any issues I've had with it. And also I went ahead and bought the graphics that I'm going to put on there. I'm probably just going to use the Kawasaki and the red stripes to match the bike. I don't know if I'm going to go with the the sponsor tags or anything like that. Um, First of all, I had this on, as you know, I did like the 7 nanometers tightening for the all the bolts in the process, and I think 7.8, there was a range, it was like 5.8 to 7.8. I think 7.8 is probably where you want to be. I took this off completely. This is actually the second time I've had it off because I did an oil change since the first time I installed it. But I also wanted to check out how the bracket bolts were holding up. And they're on there pretty good with the 7.5 that I had on there of Newton meters of torque. So yeah, they're not like rattling off or anything. So everything's holding up. I believe that 7.8 is probably the sweet spot for the bolts in Newton meters. Okay, so the plan here is to first clean this thing up a little bit. The instructions they send are in a couple different languages. First, they say wipe it down with a degreaser, which I've already done actually, and next is to wipe it down with alcohol, and then to lightly place the stickers, and then to firmly press them down when you're happy with the placement. So I'm going to do that. Also, I went ahead and did some black matte paint touch-ups around this area here where I use the Dremel, and it looks pretty good. I'm probably going to, after I get the stickers on, I'm probably going to do a little bit more touch-up in here where the bolt holes are. Got a little whitening up in some of those places that you can see. So I'm going to go ahead and wipe this down one more time here with the degreaser. I hit with the alcohol and throw the stickers on. All right. Okay, tube, I'm looking at these stickers here that I'm about to put on, and you can see they got the left and right clearly marked. Also, there's holes and stuff and cutouts, so I think getting these aligned properly is probably going to be really easy because you just got to line up those missing parts of the sticker with what they would be blocking out. So let me go ahead and put a couple of these on here. I'm going to put the left one on first, and I'll do the right one, and I'll be back. All right, YouTube, I got the stickers on. Took a little bit, wasn't terribly difficult. The holes were really good because it helps you line everything up on both sides. So it took a lot of the guesswork of getting it straight out. The hardest part of this was probably this area here around this K. It was just not a good time. But I got it on there, so I'm gonna go ahead and hit it with the heat gun, and then it says hit it for 8 seconds in every part, and see what's up next. All right, thanks. All right, YouTube, I went ahead and hit it with the heat gun. Looks pretty good. I'm not gonna do these yet, sponsor stuff, to make it look more like a racer bike until I get a better idea of what I want to do with graphics. I think these red stripes turned out pretty good. I wasn't sure, I wanted something more kind of visible, but I'm not really good with colors, so they may be more visible than I think. But they matched the bike pretty well, so that was good. Yeah, I just needed something to like add definition to the lines at the bottom, which is a reason I may end up putting on those sponsor tags here. But it kind of fills out the lines a little bit. I don't know if that makes sense, but you can see the belly pan better when there's like stuff on it, right? So that was one of the reasons I wanted to get the Kawasaki stuff on there. So yeah, it looks pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and bolt it up. A couple things I did. I already did I used this black matte touch-up paint. I just got it off of Amazon. It seems okay. It's okay for the belly pan. And also in here on the heat shielding, it never really gets hot. But when I first washed my bike, I noticed the heat shielding in the back coming off a little bit. So I went ahead and rode around a few times, and I made sure that the heat shielding was actually never getting hot. Like, it's just not getting hot in the back. So I went ahead and glued it down a little bit better right now. So I don't think it's going to be a problem. Just little dabs of glue in there because it just never gets hot anyway. So all right, I'm going to throw this back on there and catch up with you after that. Alright, YouTube, got the belly pad back on. I went ahead and tightened everything back down to 7.8 Newton meters. And it looks pretty good, I think. That's some nice definition to the bottom. I think it's probably not enough, though. I think I may end up having to do these sponsor stickers just to give it a little more outline down there. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with the way it turned out. Red stripes, kind of stuck with the red because it's already red. And as far as I know, it looks fantastic because I'm not really good with red. But I can't be putting a whole bunch of different colors on here and making it look like a Christmas tree. Alright, so gotta stick with the color scheme I got. Try to make it work here. Do something, make it look snazzy. I like the red and the black. It's probably the best color scheme for this year, I think. But for the stickers, all those race stickers, if you want to do it like a race bike, they're all like the green and the yellow. So, alright, but yeah, so looks like it's on there. I will do another update. I know everyone likes the Royal Enfield content more than the Kawasaki content, but I figured I'd do a couple of these. Alright, thanks. Hey YouTube, this is the next day, and I went ahead and I added a couple more stickers to the belly pan. With it being black on a black bike, like having the additional stickers on it kind of really gives it more lines and it fills it out a little bit more instead of the bike just becoming an ambiguous black blob. And so what I did is I added this Carbonvice sticker that came with the kit. That's one you're supposed to put on anyway, really, but I didn't. It's just, a brand sticker on the left side. And then on the right side, they gave me a couple of extra M Designs stickers, brand stickers, so I went ahead and put those on. I gave it a few. I didn't use all the sponsor logo stickers yet, so the ones I put on, I can take off if I ever decide to go ahead and go with the full sponsor look, which is pretty cool. I just don't actually have any sponsors, so I felt kind of weird doing it. But yeah, I think it makes the belly pan look a little bit sharper when it's got some additional definition on it. So I just want to throw that out there. Thank you, YouTube.